Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel HVS Technologies. In this video, I will show you how to install Raspberry Pi OS step by step. If you are a complete beginner, now let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to download the official Raspberry Pi imager. Go to raspberrypi.com and download the Windows. Once they downloaded, install it like other program. Now you can see it's downloading. Now it is downloaded. Now install the application. Now you can see run. Yes. Okay. Click on next. Click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Now create a desktop shortcut, click on next. Now we can see it is installing. Once the installation completed, we can see the finish button. Now click on finish. After installation completed, now we can see a memory card and card reader. Insert the memory card into the card reader. Now insert into computer. Operation Raspberry Pi OS. Now select the Raspberry Pi device. Now we can see no filter and select the operation system, and we can see Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit. After clicking this, now you can see the storage. Click on storage. Now you can see storage device, USB device 31. Now click on this and click on next button. Now we can see edit settings. We can set hotspot name. And services, enable SSH, and options, click all is selected. Now save. Now save. Once you can see the username and password, set username as EI and password should be Raspberry Pi. And click on save, and we can see click on yes after editing. Now we can click on yes button. Now it is preparing to write. Now we can see the writing. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to flash the OS. Now you can see the Raspberry Pi OS flash is completed. Now you can see here, you can now remove your SD card from the reader. Now click on continue and remove the card reader from the laptop and remove card reader from laptop. Now it is installed the OS successfully. Thank you.